The standard here is ARCH.HSA.SSE.A.2.8.4b. The learning target is I can use the structure of an expression to identify ways to rewrite it. So in this case, let's just look at examples, and you should write these down. 4x squared minus 2y to the fifth. So if you look at it, you can see that you could factor out a 2x from this term. Because if you factor out a 2x and you maintain the 2x, you can see that 2 times 2 equals 4, x times x equals x squared. And then you leave the minus 2y to the fifth. So we say that we factored out a 2x. We don't really know how that will help us in this particular expression. You're just learning to become aware that that's possible, and it might be helpful in a particular problem. The next example, we have an expression 7 times the quantity x plus 2. Become aware that you can distribute using the distributive property, which means you distribute the 7 to this term and distribute the 7 to this term by multiplying. So let's work that out. 7 times x, we write 7x. Then a positive 7 times a positive 2 is a positive 14. So we've rewritten the expression. That may be a way to help us in the problem solving. The next example, we have 4 to the third times 2 to the third. If we just write the 4 out 3 times, that's also correct. 4 times 4 times 4 times 2 times 2 times 2. But we could rewrite the 4 as 2 times 2. So if we wrote 2 times 2, that's one of the 4s, times 2 times 2, that's the next 4, times 2 times 2, that's the third 4. And then we still have those 3 2's at the end. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 can be rewritten 2 to the 9th. And our last example, negative 4 times the quantity 2x minus 9. Again, we're going to distribute the terms, but recognize that this negative sign must also be distributed. Negative 4 times 2x is a negative 8x, and then a negative 4, this is minus negative 4 times 9. So with 2 negative signs, it's going to become positive 36. And we have rewritten that expression. And that's the end of this tutorial.